Walking in the Home Goods. Woohoo! Hi guys. Welcome to another vlog. My name is Crystal Price if you are new here. It is Friday, July 2nd. Figure I record some of this weekend. It's going to be a long weekend. It's around 9 o'clock. I have dropped Ethan off at camp. Andre and I both took the day off. So I'm going to make some coffee, and then I'm making turkey bacon with some avocado toast, egg on top. I'm going to get through the morning with that, trying to make better choices. Y'all see what's happening here? Yeah. So we don't really have plans, like definite plans for the weekend. We have invites to different places for 4th of July, but yeah, I'm not really feeling it. I celebrated Juneteenth. I'm good. So we may go. I don't know. We may stay home. But today, so let me turn this around. So this is our home. Okay, you've seen it. Different things. That's this. You can focus. Is it focusing? Yeah. This is it. All of this is about to get changed because, yeah. I went to Home Goods yesterday, and I've been wanting to change this out for the long. It's just doing the most. It's kind of doing the most, so I'm going to take all of this down, and I'm just going to put 6 frames of black and white photos of us. Console from Marshall's, and I couldn't fit it in Andre's car. I was driving his car, so we have to go pick that up, and then I'm going to take all that down. But we're also going to paint all downstairs. If you've been watching vlogs and you've seen this spot on the wall, that's because that's the color I want to paint the whole downstairs that color. So we're going to put the console table, the entryway table right here, take all that down. I'm going to take all of that down. I'm not even sure what I was trying to do, but all of that's going down. I do want to get like a credenza to put down here, but we'll figure that out, or like some shelving. But I'm going to get rid of these couches that I got during the pandemic, figure out something with that corner. And then from back here, we don't even use this crate for Dewey. He finally got his life together. So as you can see, it's turned into like a storage area. So I want to get rid of that. I bought a bar cart that I bought like almost a year ago. It's behind the couch. So I want to put that up. But we're just going to start doing little things here and there. We don't, our space is our space. Neither Andre nor I really wanted a big house. Because there's more rooms you gotta fill and more rooms you gotta clean. And I don't wanna do that. It's just the 3 of us. We don't need much. So we're just gonna try to jazz it up. So these cabinets, still working on Andre, because Andre picked out the cabinets. And while I love them, love that they're dark, they just make the house look a little smaller, the space. So I'm trying to work on him to see if I can get him to change his mind about painting them. Probably won't happen anytime soon because he's sticking to his guns, but that's what he wanted and picked out, and I'm cool with that. But yeah, so that's a whole another project, but we're about to just start getting things done around here. This is what we're working with, and that's what we're doing today. We'll see where the day takes us. So here we go. I just wanted to hop back on and show y'all breakfast. Yes, we are eating on paper plates because I'm not washing anything this morning or loading the dishwasher. But there is the turkey bacon, and then there is an avocado toast with an egg on top. I kind of overcooked it. I don't like a full fried egg. Andre does, so that's what I made him. But that is breakfast. Yeah. Walking in the Home Goods to pick up the entryway table. I did want to look and see if they had like a long stem. See, it's right there. Right here. Excuse me. They don't have it. Okay. Trying to find the long. They don't. You walk right by it. This is the entryway table. Console table that I picked out. This is it. So we've been played. Where are we going?
Pick your son up because he lied.
We don't know if that's a lie, if it's a lie yet.
We're gonna see.
So we left getting the entryway table from Home Goods, and we stopped and got Greek salads from Ilios. Yeah. Get that right. Go ahead and take it.
I'm a son.
And then almost home, we got a call from Ethan's camp saying that he's not feeling well because his head and his tummy hurts.
He knew his daddy was home.
Here's the thing. I'm working from home. Well, I'm home. Andre goes in. This morning, he saw that Andre was home, and he said, so everybody gets to stay home?
Even Dewey gets to stay home.
That's our dog. He was like, so mommy, everybody's gonna be hanging out today but me?
On top of that, he want movie night tonight.
Yeah, he's asked for movie nights. So they called and said that Ethan's not feeling well. So me and Andre had a little debate because I tried this when I was younger. Actually, I didn't try it, I did it. I would say, I don't feel good, and I would get picked up and I would go to my grandma's house, and every time she would cook me a T-bone steak. So it was often that I didn't feel good. Andre said that didn't happen for him.
Nah, me, I stayed at school in the nurse's office till it was time to go home. There wasn't no come get me. It was, hey, bro, you better stick it out.
So I said, let's just go get him. But if he's not, since he's not feeling good, the thing is, when he gets home, he's gonna have to lay down, take a nap, so he feels better. And hopefully we still get to have movie nights. We'll see. But we're going to pick up this little
fart
swinger. I called him a little fart. We're going to get him, and then the family will be together again, and then we'll, yeah, gotta put that up. But yeah, I got played. It's all good.
Where you gonna put it?
Here he comes.
It's like rain.
You all right?
Yeah, he does.
Thank you.
It started after 8.
Huh. Okay. Well, thank you so much. Come on. Thank you. Have a good weekend. Thank you.
Yeah, you got a nice little vegan.
All right, so we are back home, and we have the entryway table up. That's set up. I just got a couple of things on it for right now. I want to put a little lamp right here, get some greenery. We got to patch the holes that the pictures went in. We're gonna paint all of this, and all this is coming down. But I'm gonna put something to come out of here. This is from Target. I think it's Studio McGee. No, it's Threshold. Find something for that. I got these little beads off of Amazon. That's an anthropology candle. The little fake plant for right now is from Home Goods. And I found the Joanna Gaines Homebody decorative, which has a lot of awesome tips in it, from Marshalls. And then this, I didn't realize till we got home, but it's Tommy Hilfiger. This entryway console is from Home Goods. So we're starting, but yeah, all of that's coming down, and I'm trying to decide if I want to buy black, white, or like the inserted like gold frames, and it's going to be just 6 across, very neat, very sleek. I'm trying to declutter because it's just too much going on here. 6 across, 3 across, 3 on the bottom, black and white family photos. That's gonna go above there. I need to find a runner to come in, and then I'm trying to decide. My aunt got us this, if this picture will stay, or what we're gonna do. But yeah, so started here. We have this little setup that's up for right now, and I like it. It's cleaner, it's nice. A little purer, our little air freshener things down there, but whatever. But yeah, I am happy, very, very happy. And Ethan's not faking. He does not feel good. He's crying, his tummy's hurting, he doesn't want to eat, he doesn't want to do anything. So we have to figure out what's going on with my little man. I don't know what's wrong. Dewey, say hi. Dewey's there, but we're home now for the day, and it's Friday. You can't see me that way, but we're back home, and let's see if I can get Andre to move that thing upstairs. We'll see. Yeah. Good morning. Hi, it is Saturday, and I am about to go meet Mandy to walk and exercise, and that is the fit. I'm headed out the door, and I will see y'all when I get there. We are walking. Just slow down.
I would like to get to know if it could be the kind of girl that you took it down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I wanna be down with what you go. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. No matter the time of day and night, it's wanna be down. Wanna be
It is. Hold on. There we go. It is Sunday, July 4th. Almost 5 o'clock. We are at my parents' house. The guys are outside having me and talk. Whatever it is they're talking about. I don't know. Here, you can go out with the men. Bye. See ya. I just beat this guy in a game of hide and seek. He keeps telling on himself. Yeah, I know Sonya frying fish. Pray for me. But we're gonna do good. I'm gonna do good today. I'm not worried about it. I'm not worried about it. It's gonna be a good day. Say hey. Got some what? Yeah. He said he wants some croaker, so what do what? That's my dad. Bringing in food. He's going to hear one of y'all. Oh! We are back home. Front row seats. Meanwhile,
Working as usual. 4th of July.
that sounds like a gun.
No days off.
So,
Hey,
I'm missing him. I'm in the wrong spot. Ethan stayed at my parents' with his cousin. So Andre and I are in the backyard with this guy. And we have like front row seats to all the firecrackers and everything going on in the neighborhood. We live right on the corner. So we're just out here chillaxing. I'm not sure what's happening here. They have 15 days after Juneteenth. That's what we're doing. What you think? We are just hanging out. We're both off tomorrow. It is 4th of July. And we chilling. We made it back home. It's actually been a nice day. Hung out with family. Got to see my nephews. I didn't do too bad food-wise. I'm proud of myself. Yeah. So, that's what we're doing. Said I should have got the camera. Oh, there we go. Yeah. What are y'all doing?
probably take over right here. Boom! Boom!
Andre is gonna get some footage on his drone. of the neighborhood, what everybody has going on. I'm gonna see if we can add it to the vlog. You can see the view.
That's crazy. That's so much as I can get it. Man, that's crazy.
There's a drone right there. I was not gonna have a drink tonight, but I changed my mind. I've been doing pretty good. I don't know why I'm not focusing. Hoping this guy's okay. He's a tiny bit antsy, but he's doing all right with all the fireworks. Dewey, you okay? Yeah, you okay? For the kids. For the kids. Woohoo! All the kids walking down the town. This is what summertime is supposed to be about.